Racing just started with Injan Pana. Break quickly restored. Rushing about the outside is Pinay Pero. Space Needle is racing into and in fourth comes Pinagtipunan. Then next online Tagapagmana is Space Needle. Then down on the inside Real Flames, while Mount Iglit is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And down the stretch for the first time we have the quick is striding Injan Pana on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Pinay Pero in second, rushing about the outside is Real Flames. The Secret Kingdom in between horses. Space Needle is down on the inside. Pinagtipunan comes next. Tagapagmana secondless, while Mount Iglit is still racing in less. Back to the leader now. We have Pinay Pero now takes command. Injan Pana is down on the inside. Space Needle comes next, then followed by Real Flames, or rather Pinagtipunan. Now moving up on the outside, Secret Kingdom, then comes Mount Iglit, while Tagapagmana now racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled with Pinay Pero now takes command. Injan Pana in second, moving up on the outside, Real Flames. Down on the inside comes Space Needle. Pinagtipunan is down in fifth, then comes Tagapagmana. Secret Kingdom, while Mount Iglit is racing in less. Time is running out as the Hopeful Stakes race now reach the fourth turn. We have Pinay Pero enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Injan Pana moving up by the outside. Space Needle is down on the inside. Real Flames, Pinagtipunan, Tagapagmana, the Secret Kingdom as they swing for home. We have Pinay Pero by about 2 lengths, and in second Real Flames, and on the outside Space Needle. Injan Pana was 75 meters. We have Pinay Pero, and the winner of the Hopeful Stakes race, Pinay Pero. Second, Real Flames, then comes Space Needle, Tagapagmana, Injan Pana.
Oh, at saka 2 for 2 for the Herma Farm stable.
Galing ni Boss Hermi. Sino mag-aakalang makatapos ng ganong kahabang ano yun? Iris, si Pinoy Pero.
Well, basa nga natin, no? Dadali ni Injan Pana yung bandera. No?
Ano lang, pero sumunod lang siya.
Pumirmis ka agad si Dunoy.
Pumirmis ka agad.
Oo. Tsaka hindi niya nilalapit yung kabayo.
Hindi niya nilapit.